Hi Express 3, how are you? Let's start our week number 4 of extra activities. On page number 1 you have reading, you have a list of verbs and you have to complete the sentences on page number 2 with can or can't and a verb. Alright, in what situation do I use can? Can I use in two situations. One, an ability. I can speak English. This is an ability I have, so I can speak English. But I can't speak Japanese. So you can express an ability you have or an ability you don't have using can't. And also you can use it for possibilities. Imagine you are at a shop and you ask the cashier, can I pay in credit card or cash? So you have two possibilities, credit card and cash. And then the person is going to say, oh, you can pay using this, for example. So two situations, abilities and possibilities. Another very important thing, after I use can, the verb is in the infinitive. I cannot use a verb in the past after the infinitive, after can, for example. So pay attention. I can play the guitar. So I, the subject, can, the modal verb, can, and after can, play, a verb infinitive. I can play the guitar. The same thing with the negative. I can't play the guitar. And exactly the same thing with the question. Can I play the guitar? And that's it. On page number 2, you have one more reading activity. You have 3 paragraphs and you have to match these 3 paragraphs to the pictures, the 3 pictures you can find on page number 3. And after this, you can read the paragraphs again and read the sentences you have on page 3 too and say if the sentences are true or false. After that, you have writing. The writing activity, you have to write some sentences to a person who is visiting your city, who is visiting your town. You have some examples there, some suggestions. So, where can I go for a walk? So you can go for a walk in the park. You can go for a walk on the road. You can go shopping for souvenirs in the center of the city. You can't go shopping on Sundays because there isn't a shopping center and the other shops are closed. So write 4 sentences using can or can't to suggest some things for the people who are going to visit your town. Then you can send me these sentences and I can write them for you. I can correct them for you. Then you have use of English. Again, use of English is about can. So you know already what you have to do. Please, on page number 5, you have to complete extract with can or can't. You don't have to listen to check, it's just completing, all right? There is no listening in this part. Number 2, you have to correct 5 mistakes in the sentences. Number 3, you have to write affirmative, negative, or questions using can or can't. And finally, number 4, you have to write your own sentences with your own ideas. So write 4 sentences about what you can or you can't do. On page number 7, you have listening and speaking. Letter A is related to page number 8. On page number 8, you have a dialogue, you have some gaps to complete. You're going to complete the gaps on page number 8 with the sentences on page number 7, activity letter A. The first one is done for you, where can I park? So it's there already, and then you complete with the other 4 sentences. After doing this, you can listen to the track 55 and check if your answers are okay. After that, you have to listen the track 56 and you are going to vote who is the best singer, and that's it. After that, you have to listen track 57. You're going to listen to the judges and what are their opinion about the singer and how does Gary feel. So you take notes about it. After that, you have to look at the 4 sentences with can or can't. They are numbered like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you have to match with the sentences from A to D. After that, you can correct all your answers. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. I miss you. I really want this to finish, but the only thing we can do now is stay home and take care of ourselves. And that's it. Bye bye. See you next week.